Morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Oh, there's Havoc. He's on the move.
Where you go, buddy?
Good morning. We are finally ready for the day. We've got this big thing of laundry that we need to take to his mom's house. More packages for the post office. And we're gonna get some groceries.
Josh is looking at cars.
Josh is looking at cars. He actually went and looked at one this morning already.
Mm-hmm.
And then while he was gone, I painted this morning. I think it came out pretty good. There are obviously things I don't like about it, but we're not going to point those out.
I wouldn't have even been able to get the background right. You know?
We're going to do some packing today, which is the most exciting part of this vlog. This is going to be the first vlog in our moving series. So that'll be fun. Actually, while we're at his mom's house doing laundry, we're going to we have a bunch of like plastic bins that are empty from when we moved here the first time. And we're going to grab those.
It's a lot easier to have those and stack those up for future use than to get, get boxes every time.
Every time. Yeah, so we're going to grab those and then I think that's it. I'll catch up with you guys later. Oh man, Josh's stepdad got everyone donuts. Oh, these are so good.
Alright.
Okay, and then here's all of our plastic bins.
The ones that aren't full anyway.
Yes, and this is the cage we use to transport the cats. It's all collapsed right now, but you obviously expand it before putting the cats in.
It's actually a dog cage.
Yeah, it's actually for dogs, but what's happening? What's happening? Some of our bins. Josh is gonna go look at another car. I'm staying here. I might get a head start on packing, we'll see. Right now I'm working on putting this laundry away. Alright, I'm curious to see how much packing we can get done today, because this is our last week that we're going to be in this apartment. And then next weekend is when we're moving. And we're waiting until now to pack. I think it'll be fine. We don't really have that much, so I think we'll be good. Okay, I'm going to start packing the office first. Havoc, I don't think you want to be in that one. Here. There you go. Okay, so this is gonna be where I put stuff that we're keeping and taking to the house. That one I'm gonna put stuff that we can donate. And then I've got a trash can. This is one of their old cat toys. They still play with it, but they need a major upgrade. It used to have something attached to it, but of course it's all broken and chewed up, so we can replace that. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the office first. And I'll show you guys a montage of me packing, because that's the joy of watching moving vlogs. Give this video a thumbs up if you love moving vlogs, because I know I do.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Okay, here's the progress. I'm gonna keep this stuff here for work this week. Printer I gotta keep for work, but this is all empty. And then this is all stuff I have to shred. That's progress so far. Now let's tackle the shelf. These are all notes that Joshua and I wrote to each other in high school. Havoc has claimed that one. Chaos is very curious. That didn't take long at all, and it really only filled up this. There are a couple things I couldn't fit, but it's okay. This is stuff that Josh has to go through. I don't know if he needs to leave any of that out this week or if it can be packed. This is what we are donating so far. And then gotta throw some things away and shred other things. What are you doing in there? You're not supposed to be in there. Now the good thing is the stuff in here I can leave in there because that can be moved with everything inside. But I am gonna go through it just to make sure there's nothing I can throw away or, you know, donate or anything like that.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Well, that was easier than I thought. There's not really that much in there. So that's good. I think I'm done in the office. I did leave a few things up there. I can't really go in boxes, and then those are Josh's clothes, and then he's got some shoes, and then I think we can use those boxes for packing. I'll have to ask Josh what those boxes are for, because I can't remember. But I filled up one bin plus this one so far. I did leave some of my painting stuff out, because I do plan on painting some more this week before we move. And then here's the Goodwill. This is all trash. And then stuff to shred over there. Oh. Can I get one of those, please? Actually, while I wait for Josh to get back, I'm gonna go ahead and upload, because today's Saturday, so I have a video going up tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload that to YouTube and schedule it. That way I don't have to worry about it the rest of the day or tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just gonna work on YouTube stuff instead of packing, because I feel like a lot of the stuff that's left is like stuff that he uses and I use, so I kind of need his input of should we pack it now or should we wait, yada yada. So I think that's the plan.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out.
So the next video I'm uploading is home buying tips. So this is going to be like tips for first time home buyers, and it's just Josh and I explaining like the process, how it was for us, and just some tips and tricks that we learned along the way. But by the time you're watching this, that video is already up. I'll leave a link up in the card so you guys can watch it. It definitely has a lot of good information in there if you're looking to buy a house, for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and upload that while I watch other people's YouTube videos. Okay, Josh is home.
Hey.
It's actually a lot later. Josh has been home for a while, but he was on the phone with his family, telling them about the car, yada yada. We ate a snack.
Yep.
Now we're gonna pack.
Yes.
Our task is the living room. We're gonna start with that shelf back there, which is mostly books and board games. And what else are we gonna pack? Maybe some of the entertainment center stuff.
Perhaps.
And like the hall closet.
Yeah. I mean, we still have 5 more days before we can get the keys.
Right, I know.
And then the rest of the month to actually.
We're just getting a head start.
Yeah. Yeah. But very excited. Closer and closer. My head looks tiny, so I'm gonna come closer.
It's because you're far away. Yeah, so we're gonna do some packing, and we'll show you guys a montage. It's gonna be great!
Done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
All right, here's the progress. And Havoc is happy because he's tall. And then here's a moving pack for books. You may be able to fit more, but books are really heavy to move. So you always want to stop a little bit before the box is full.
Yep.
Havoc has claimed that one. What are you gonna do, sleep? Oh, where's he going? It's like a whole new world from that angle, huh?
Oh my goodness, you're so tall. What are you doing?
There's something under there.
What are you doing? Okay, let me see if I can figure this out. It's gotta be, he's got a straw under there, or it's that ball that he lost when we first moved here. Watch out. No, don't look at it. And you're getting yourself all dirty. It's the ball.
There's a ball.
I need a
stick.
Something of stick-like proportions. Yes.
Is a pencil long enough?
Yes. A pencil will suffice. Okay, now, move your head. I'm trying to get it. I don't even know how you got it under here because, oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, it's right here, Dingus.
Havoc. Oh goodness.
Let me get all this crap off of it. Here. Come on.
Here, let me move. Alright, we're done packing for the day. This is all Goodwill stuff. This is trash. We've got these 3 filled up with stuff that we're taking. This whole shelf is empty. These are books that Josh is selling on eBay, so that's why we haven't put those away yet. Stuff over there. And then I put a lot of our wall hangings in this little bench. And we still got that many plastic bins left. And then we filled all these up too. And that's all the packing we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna go ahead and relax and eat some pizza. We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everyone. Josh is arguing with me about throwing away this toy I showed you guys yesterday.
This is his only big pink straw.
I just wanted to get him something new. It's all beat up.
That just means that it now is catered to his needs.
I just wanted to upgrade.
He doesn't want to upgrade. He loves
He
it.
saw it in the trash can yesterday and he was fine. Now you got him all worked up.
Go get your pink straw. Okay, he likes it better when we're playing, but this is his only pink straw.
Oh my God.
And to Havoc, anything...
Yeah.
Anything that's
In this shape is a
anything
straw.
that's cylindrical is a straw.
And in case we haven't told you, he doesn't play with regular cat toys. He just likes straws.
Yep.
We don't know why.
Straws, aglets, but he plays fetch like a dog.
Yeah, he does play fetch.
All right, folks. Doing a little more packing this morning. Started on the entertainment center here. So sets, movies, and games and such. I have already added a bunch of those to this bin here, and we don't plan on using any of the game systems in the next couple of days, so I'm just going to pack them up in this little one. But I seem to have found a goober. Didn't realize that was in there, so I'll have to remove that before I can put the game systems in, but hopefully it doesn't bite. I'll see you guys later. Come on, buddy. Okay. All right, go through some of the stuff in the cabinets in here. Well, it should be easy. This expired a year ago.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have a lot of stuff down here that's expired, so that'll make it easy to pack.
Also expired. Glad I wasn't putting that on my eyes.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds.
Oh, it all fit in one.
Yes.
Awesome. And then we've got trash for sure, stuff that expired.
And this is the stuff we're gonna see if anyone over at the house can use it.
Yeah,
If not, we'll
this
find someone
leaked,
who can.
so I have to wash that, and it leaked on this comb. And I'm gonna try and use these up this week, just so they're not sitting in the drawer. Headache.
Unfortunately, everything has been infested with goobers.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah. Just draw.
Go get it.
Oh my goodness. Alright, come on. Yeah.
But I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire.
I think we're gonna call it quits for the day.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah. We really don't have much else to pack, and
Can
We
you
still
step
have-
more this way?
we don't have much else to pack, and we still have, what, 4 more days before we
Yeah.
get the keys?
Exactly.
So,
Yeah, I feel like all that's left is really the kitchen and our clothes.
yeah. Yeah, we're in
And-
good shape. We're
yeah.
definitely in good
I
shape.
think we're gonna call it quits. So that's gonna be it for this weekend's moving vlog.
Yep.
And in the next one, you'll see us actually moving all of our stuff into the new house. No, the next one you'll see the closing day process,
Yes.
and we're gonna try and do an empty house tour before we move everything in.
Yep.
So
Yep.
make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when we upload that, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.